Unlike them, this battle begins from our body itself. Good afternoon to each and everyone. I am Swathi from Family 4th year, standing in front of you all to tell about kill the cancer. Each cancer is different, yet our reaction to cancer is the same. It's fear. And why not? Cancer is scary. I still recall when one of my closest friends' dad got cancer, he kept on repeating that why me? Why does this happen to me? And why did this happen to me? Yes, cancer is unfair. Because cancer can occur to anyone. Cancer doesn't discriminate whether you're young or old, male or female, rich or poor. It can affect everyone. That is why it is very necessary to understand how cancer affects our body and how can we diagnose and prevent it so that it doesn't occur to us. To begin with, cancer is nothing but a disease in which abnormal cells grow rapidly and it spreads to other parts of the body through blood or lymph. Major.
Start.
So basically there are mostly 3 types of cancer: sporadic, hereditary and familial. In sporadic, the cancer occurs due to our own lifestyle, and in genetic, the mutation in the parent gene gets transferred to the children. Whereas in familial, it is a combination of both. So firstly, how does cancer affect our body? Let us assume each cell in a body as a car. Like each car has a brake, an accelerator and a fuel tank. In the same way, even our cell has it. We use these 3 functions whenever it is necessary. Whenever we are moving, when the car is moving slow, we use an accelerator to increase the speed. Whenever it is moving fast, we use a brake. And whenever the fuel tank gets completed, we get refill. In the same way, even the cell has a brake that's called as tumor suppressor gene. Whenever there is a mutation in our body, the tumor suppressor gene can suppress the tumor and prevent the cancer. But in the cancer patients, that tumor suppressor gene doesn't work. Second, accelerator. In our body, we have accelerator called as oncotic gene, which when it gets mutated, it leads to formation of cancer. The next is telomerase enzyme. When this telomerase enzyme gets activated, it adds more telomere tails to the DNA gene. That is why we also get cancer. Now, most of the time you must have heard people saying that my uncle had cancer, so I got cancer. My grandfather had cancer, so maybe now I can get cancer. But that is not the case. Just because you have heredited the gene in your body doesn't mean you will definitely get cancer. You are just prone to cancer. But because if you change your lifestyle, you can prevent cancer. The most important lifestyle mistakes which people these days do is first is consumption of alcohol and smoking. Now these have a direct correlation to the formation of cancer in our body. These contain carcinogens which affect the body. Second is eating in hurry or bubbles. In our busy schedules where the world is continuously running, we often eat in hurry and we don't even feel what we are eating. We eat just for the sake of eating and not. We eat not because our food wants to be heal the cell. So lastly, I would like to conclude by saying that our body has the power to heal the cancer. Our immunity has the power to heal cancer. If our cancer is strong, but humanity is stronger. If we want and if we have the correct knowledge and